If you're not using these ChatGPT plugins, you are missing out on increased productivity. So I'm going to start in the Video Insights plugin here. I'm going to put in this URL to one of my favorite YouTube videos, and it's going to spit out all of this data on the video. This video is a compilation of different scenes and conversations. It starts with the speaker returning a Super Mario game to a store because a game character died in the game. They discuss their concerns about buying a pre-owned game.
Because I got this game about a week ago, and then I fell off one of the cliffs and died, and so now I gotta return it, and just seeing if you guys have a new one I can buy.
It didn't just restart you with like another life, like simple lives. Like if you die, it's not a different person. It's Mario, but a different life.
The video also includes a conversation at McDonald's where they discuss ordering an M&M McFlurry.
Hi, I'll get a M&M McFlurry.
So it's really describing the video very well at this stage, but it's just given us an overview. We can actually go into more depth. So I'm going to say, please pull the whole transcript of the video and let me know what it is about. So it's just retrieved the whole YouTube transcript for the video, and now it's putting it into dot points for us to have a look at. And ChatGPT, the video is filled with humor and light-hearted interactions. The video is not timestamped, so the events occur in order described above. So it can't pull the timestamps, even though there are timestamps on the video. Next, we're going to go over the meme creator plugin. So I'm just going to say, create me a meme of something that is trending right now. It's going to go off and go to the meme creator plugin. Here is your meme featuring the ever popular Doge, commenting on the current trends. Much trending, so 2023. Create me a meme with two people side by side, one person saying day shift and one person saying night shift. Now I want to create a meme with two people side by side, one person day shift and one person night shift. So we'll see which meme template it goes on. So let's use the Drake Hotline Bling meme, which was popular a while ago, not so much trendy now. So it's gone off and created the day shift night shift meme pretty fast. You know, I didn't have to hop into Photoshop. It just did it for me. It's pretty crazy. Create me a meme with Doge in a zoo and also a lion in the zoo side by side with text. So it says, I'm sorry, we couldn't find anything specific for Doge and lion. However, we can use a different template. Would that work for you? I said, sure. And it's given us the Doge in the zoo or lion in the zoo. So it's really just using these meme templates and then blending them together. So create me a unique meme with the ancient aliens template. So lost your keys, ancient aliens. Doesn't really make sense, but it's funny because it's not funny. Now there's this new weather plugin as well. So we can simply just type, what is the weather in Dubai for the next 7 days? So it's grabbed all the data and now it's just going to show us in a clear, easy to read format. So you could see I could give ChatGPT to a non-tech literate person and they're going to figure this out really fast if they can just ask questions to the AI. Please put it into table format. And this is in Fahrenheit. What if I wanted it to be in degrees Celsius? And as simple as asking, please change F to C, it's going to do the conversions, and the weather's looking really nice in Dubai right now. Next, we're going to use this tasty recipes plugin. I need to cook dinner for my family of 5. Please give me a recipe that is trending right now. So it's gone off, done its query. It's gotten back this JSON data, which isn't human readable really if you don't know what you're looking for, but then it's going to go ahead and put it into human readable paragraphs for us. So one pot chicken, hearty, delicious, easy to make. And it's even given us little click-ons here we can use to go directly to the recipe. Let's say we have allergies. I need recipes that do not include peanuts and have no meat in them. And you can see vegetarian dinner recipes. It's just worked out from my query here that it needs to be vegetarian. Say I wanted to cook this vegetarian enchiladas recipe. I could say, please get me the list for and the steps on how to make it. And you can also find the full recipe here if you don't like the ChatGPT version. Like and subscribe for more content.